Hi there, this is Dr. Besson, and I am going to show you how to make Bitmoji badges for gamification in Moodle. So first of all, you'll want to set yourself up a Bitmoji account and go to bitmoji.com, set yourself up a free account, create your outfit, edit your Bitmoji so that it looks like you. I've already done all that. And then Bitmoji is now added to my bar up above next to the web address. And that is important because you'll need to be able to access that little Bitmoji icon there later. I can't actually get to any of my Bitmojis through the website here. I don't need to. I just need to get to them through this little Bitmoji icon up above. So now that I've done that and made my Bitmoji account, I'm going over to one of my classes. Moodle doesn't have badges set up automatically. You have to create each badge for your classes, but it's really quick and easy. So I will show you how to do this. So right now I am here with the role of the teacher. If I go over to the right and I click on the settings and go down and choose more, and I will see badges, manage badges, and add a new badge. I'm going to add a new badge. And there are only 3 things I have to write to add a new badge. So it's pretty quick. I'm going to add the name of my badge and the description, which is what pops up, the message that pops up for the students. And then I have to add the image. So I'm going to do this for the first quiz completed. And for the description, I'm going to say, you finished your first social studies quiz. You rock. And then here, I don't have a file that's an image yet. So this is where you go to your Bitmoji. I'm going to go up here to my Bitmoji icon, and I'm going to click on it. I'm on a PC, left click on it. And I have all of these choices, so many choices. If I type something in up above, then the Bitmoji app will automatically find some pictures that might be appropriate. So I'm going to type in you rock, since that's what I typed into the description. And look at this, all of these great choices it's given me. So it actually types whatever I have typed above a lot of the Bitmojis that it already has available. So it kind of customizes the Bitmojis for me. I also have some that are just related, like Killing It or You Go Girl. Now, I know some of my students will not be girls, so I'm not going to choose that one. But let's see, how about I'm going to choose this cheerleader one. And to choose this, I right click on it on a PC and I click on Save Image As. And I have made a folder on my computer called Badges. It's actually in the cloud. And I don't want this super long crazy name. I want something I will remember. So I'm going to type in You Rock Cheerleader. Now I know on most PCs you'd be able to see a little miniature picture of the image. On mine, for whatever reason, it doesn't show me the pictures. So I save it. There it is. If I want to look at it in my downloads, I can click it open. And that, whew, that is a funny picture. Okay, so there we go. I'm done with this little Bitmoji icon here. I'm done with that. So now I can go back to my Moodle. I choose a file. It, of course, is going to my badges because that's where I was last. And You Rock Cheerleader is at the bottom, of course, alphabetical order. Upload the file. There's the picture. Now, if I wanted to have an expiration date for this badge, I could choose it there, but I'm not going to bother. You really only have to fill in those 3 things: the name, the description, and the image. Create my badge. There it is. Now I just have to pick the criteria for the badge. Super easy. I'm going to choose activity completion. It gives me several options, but I use the activity completion because I want them to earn the badge by taking this first quiz. So I'm going to click on quiz 1. If I wanted them to only earn the badge by completing it by a certain date, then I would click enable and change the date. I'm not going to bother with that. This criterion is complete when. You don't have to worry about this one unless you're assigning multiple assignments for them to complete to earn the badge. You would click all of the selected activities if you wanted them to complete, say, 5 activities to earn a badge, but I'm not going to bother with that. The description is not important. I'm going to click save. There it is. So if you look up here, it says first quiz completed. There's a picture of my Bitmoji as a cheerleader. This badge is currently not available to users. Enable access. I click enable access and we're good to go. Confirm, continue, and now I'm going to go in as a different role as a student. So if I go up here to my switch role to spot, it'll tell me there's an error here because students can't create badges. That's fine. Now I'm in here as a student. Go to this quiz, what is government? And for this quiz, I have a very simple way I do this so that I don't have to upload questions for every single quiz. I have a Google Doc they have to look at for the questions. So I'm going to go in here and choose my answers. Since I don't have the Google Doc in front of me, I don't remember what the answers are. It doesn't really matter. Finish my attempt. I'm going to submit it. Probably not going to do very well. That's okay. I got every question wrong. Whatever. I have still earned a badge, which I can see. If I look over here under badges on the left, there is my first quiz completed badge. Now, I already did the syllabus quiz. There it is. So I've earned 2 badges total for this class so far. So I hope that helps you. Enjoy playing with your little Bitmoji character and making yourself some badges. Thank you for watching.